So you've got an old 401k from a job you left behind. Now you're asking, should I roll it to an IRA, leave it where it is, or move it into my new 401k? Let's break it down Reddit style, but with real clarity. This is part of level 6 of the wealth game. Investing 15% of your income for retirement. Chapter 1. The pain. You left your old job, but your money didn't. Your old 401k is still sitting there, probably unmanaged, maybe in high-fee funds, and not part of your current investment strategy. You're not alone. Millions of Americans have thousands of dollars sitting idle in forgotten accounts. Out of sight, out of mind, but that's not how you win the wealth game. Chapter 2. The plan. Here are your options and how to choose the best one. Option 1. Roll it into a traditional IRA. This gives you total control. You can choose low-fee mutual funds, consolidate your accounts, and manage everything in one place. No taxes as long as it's a direct rollover. Option 2. Roll it into your new 401k. If your current employer's plan is solid, with great funds and low fees, this can be a great option. It also keeps everything in one place and avoids triggering the pro rata rule if you do backdoor Roth later. Option 3. Leave it where it is. This is only okay if the fees are low, the fund choices are strong, and you're not planning to do a backdoor Roth. But let's be honest, most people leave it out of laziness or fear, so don't just leave it because Reddit said you can. Make a real decision. Chapter 3. The pitfalls. Here's where people mess up. They cash out the old 401k. Big mistake, taxes and penalties hit hard. They roll into an IRA and then forget to invest the funds. Just moving it doesn't grow your money. You still have to invest it. They roll it without checking if they're planning a backdoor Roth and end up triggering surprise taxes. They leave it in a bad plan with high fees and never log in again. Chapter 4. The path forward. Your old 401k is not dead weight. It's a building block for your retirement wealth, but only if you take action. Here's what I recommend. Fill out the Invest Steady Client Assessment form. The link is in the description below. Will help you. Decide if a rollover is right for you. Avoid triggering the pro rata rule. Get your money into strong, long-term mutual funds that can outperform the S&P 500. Create a game plan for investing 15% of your income. This is how you win at level 6. No more scattered accounts. No more, I'll deal with it later. You've worked too hard to let your old 401k collect dust. Let's make it work. Drop a comment below. What level are you on? Invest steady. Compound your net worth.